In this video, we are going to learn how to gather all of the interesting outputs, which might be scattered over multiple tables and sheets, and pull them all together on a single output sheet or a dashboard. So for example, over here, we'd like to bring in some information about the trend per salesperson from January to June, as well as some information that we've created based on their rank in each category. Now we've done all of the workings over here, using several pivot tables, spark lines, and other types of formulas and functions. And we are going to do this using a very simple technique of copying and pasting a linked picture. So let's do the following. These are the cells that I would like to appear in our dashboard. So simply select them, press Ctrl C for copy. Let's move back to our dashboard. I'm going to paste them off to the side, but using the paste special, and right in the bottom corner is an option for a linked picture. Let's go do the same for the other information around number of sales and the average sales value. And finally, let's go and copy out this spark line. Once again, choosing to paste special using a linked picture. Now you'll notice that as we make selections of the different salesperson, due to the structure of the workings tab, that slicer drives changes in all of the different pivot tables, as well as changes in these formulas and functions. And therefore, they also drive the changes in our linked pictures. So we can now bring these different objects into our dashboard. And as you'll see, we'll need to make some changes to the overall dimensions. But now we have managed to take different outputs from across the page and store them on a single output page or dashboard. And if you are wondering how we are able to achieve these cells changing, all we did was go into the particular shape. In the formula bar, you simply type out equals, and then you click on the cell that has the output that you'd like to show. And so, for example, it now shows the particular salesperson's name. And since the slicer is driving changes in that cell, so too our title changes. And let's go do this with this cell as well. Starting from scratch, this is how it would have appeared when we started. It's important that you don't type over here in the actual object. You move to the formula bar, type equals, move to the cell that has the output that you'd like, and press enter. Now we can perform different types of formatting. And as we make these changes, so all of those will change as well. So we've had a look at two techniques, bringing interesting outputs that are scattered across multiple tables or sheets and putting them all together. Number one, using copy and paste special, pasting a linked picture. Or number two, linking an object to the underlying cells using the formula bar, typing equals and simply referencing the cell that we are interested in. So hopefully these two techniques will help you to group all of the interesting outputs to create a useful dashboard. We'll see you in the next video.